Okay. So when the CTE Foundation heard about this opportunity, we became really excited about it because this is just the type of learning experience we want to bring to our students. We wouldn't necessarily want to bring in a car kit into an auto shop class, for instance, and say, here, build a car. We wanted to make sure that there was a deeper learning experience for those students, as well as an opportunity to look at how could we integrate this career technical course or program, say as in an auto shop, with maybe one of their core academic subjects. Not only integrating the two subjects, but also crossing over with the students. So for instance, at one of our schools, we really encouraged the auto shop teacher in class to coordinate with a physics teacher in class, so that the students in the auto shop might learn a little bit about physics as they're building this electric vehicle. And the students in the physics class will see the real application of what they're learning as well.
Awesome.